How to find your Play Store download history. Go to your home screen and find Play Store application. After then tap on here. You find top right corner your profile icon. Tap into here. When you tap, you also see and find this option, manage application and device. Tap here. When you click here, you also find this option, overview and manage. Click into the manage option. When you click manage option, you see this option, your device, this device, update available, game, asset. Thanks for watching this video.